Arctic glaciers, pristine and timeless. A chilling question emerges in stark white letters against the serene backdrop. What if all the ice melted? Breaking news. Scientists confirm Earth's ice is melting faster than ever before. But what would actually happen if every single piece of ice on our planet dissolved? The answer is way worse than you. First, our oceans would rise by 230 feet. Imagine the entire state of Florida completely underwater. New York City, gone. Tokyo, submerged. Every coastal city on Earth would disappear beneath the waves. Over 40% of the world's population would need to relocate. But that's just the beginning. The massive influx of fresh water would completely disrupt ocean currents. The Gulf Stream, which keeps Europe warm, would shut down. Parts of Europe would become as cold as Canada, while other regions would experience extreme heat waves. The weight distribution of Earth would change so dramatically that it would affect our planet's rotation. Days would become slightly longer. Survivors struggle to salvage what remains, their faces etched with the harrowing stories of loss and resilience. The Earth's axis would shift. Seasons as we know them would change forever. All that melted ice would also release ancient trapped gases and potentially dormant viruses that have been frozen for millions of years. From high above Greenland's icy expanse, a drone reveals a stark panorama of melting permafrost, as if the land itself is weeping. Invisible to the naked eye, methane gas surges upwards, visualized as ominous bubbles ascending into the sky, a silent scream of environmental decay. Methane release appear, stark and unyielding, underscoring the grim reality unfolding beneath the Arctic sky. A panel of experts faces a daunting reality illuminated by stark data. Its message stark and unavoidable. We're talking about methane levels skyrocketing, accelerating global warming even further. The Amazon rainforest, once a vibrant tapestry of life, now bears the scars of climate change, its lush greenery replaced by the stark reality of drought and deforestation. Skeletal trees stand as tombstones, marking the irreversible loss of biodiversity. The scariest part? Antarctica's ice sheets contain prehistoric air bubbles with CO2 levels we've never seen before. Once released, our atmosphere would become completely different from anything humans have ever experienced. Wildlife would face unprecedented challenges. Polar bears, penguins, and thousands of Arctic species would go extinct. The drought-stricken farmland stretches endlessly, a haunting testament to nature's wrath. Cracked earth and lifeless plants narrate a silent stories of devastation. Agricultural crisis flashes across the screen. A news anchor delivers a somber report. Marine ecosystems would collapse as the sudden freshwater influx would kill off countless species. The mountain glaciers stand as silent witnesses to time, their icy expanses dramatically altered in a before and after split screen. But here's the wild thing. Some places would actually become more habitable. Parts of Antarctica and Greenland, currently buried under miles of ice, would become green and fertile. Solar panels shimmer under the sun's embrace, capturing the raw power of nature. New trade routes would open up across the Arctic. Some scientists even believe we'd find massive mineral deposits and potentially new resources under all that ice. The world wouldn't end, but it would be completely transformed. Cities would migrate inland. New civilizations would emerge in previously frozen wastelands, and humanity would face its greatest adaptation challenge ever. This isn't just a crazy thought experiment anymore. At our current rate of global warming, we're actually heading in this direction. The real question isn't if this will happen, but when. And that's what should really keep us up at night. The future is in our hands. Act now.